I just went to Smith's and I bought a roast. It's only like a 2-pound roast. Choice beef rump roast, boneless. I don't know what that means. It looks like one I can put in my Instant Pot and make a roast out of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, although for you, it will only be a couple of seconds. So I will see you in a second. Cool. So it's done cooking, but I still need to depressurize it. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. What about the meat? There's 4 containers of vegetables and then 2 containers of meat. I also have a plate right here that I'm going to eat because I am hungry. Before I dig in, I kind of want to show you what this ended up looking like. The spinach, the carrots, and the potatoes, the beef, which looks a little bit dry. Vegetables first. Okay, it's very hot, but it's very delicious. Super delicious. The beef is good. It's not quite like melts in your mouth, so Okay, that's better. For the rest of today, what I want to focus on is cleaning and organizing the mess that I have made in my room. All of this mess. I just want to clean that. Let's start at the beginning with the filing cabinet stuff. Hey, this is a bit messier than I thought it was gonna be. Little Swiss Army knife. Focus. There we go, look at that. Little Swiss Army knife. I wonder how dull that is. A leather case to my old phone that I don't have anymore. Sticky notes. Battery. Letter opener. Scissors. Screwdriver. More batteries. This is a little piece of paper with like some numbers on it. I was trying to like get the measurements for my fingers so that I can get like rings or something. This is a movie ticket, I think. Oh, Gray Man. Look how garbage this one looks. Aww. Talk. Real. I use these ones. I thought they were clever. I'll probably check them. More batteries for some reason. More batteries. Sector 9 stickers. Thumb drive. Another charging cable. I can use that. I don't know what came in this. Marker. Tape measure. Hand grippy thing my brother gave me. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's tough. I can't even make it touch. Nope. Cool. Okay. This is my TARDIS book. I don't remember who drew this. It could have been me. It could have been someone else. I don't know. And then there's this person too. Again, I don't know who drew them. It was so long ago, it could have been me. I don't know. Let's continue. SIM poppers, box knife, and a SIM card. Ta-da! Focus on the SIM card. SIM card. There we go. Look at that. Oh yeah, SIM card. Okay. This is the, I think, 2nd or 3rd journal I've ever actually like sorta kept. I'm gonna take a peek. Hold on. Oh, this is how much I've filled up. This is how much is left. Filled up, left. I haven't written much. I should write more. My last entry was when I was sitting in an airport waiting to fly to Texas. The top drawer is empty. This one's actually mostly empty. I love this box. I love this box. I love unboxing Apple products. These little plastic guitar picks and these little like holders for the guitar picks. Altoid tin with a thumb drive in it. A paper bag. This is my oldest hard drive. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive. I was using it for storage, and then I decided to use this one for Xbox games, and I was never able to successfully reformat it back for Windows or Mac. I have a ruler, my millimeter measuring device. Okay, audio cable tissue boxes that I just turned into like cable slots. Hey, this is future Kyle. I just spent the last 3 hours editing what you just now watched, and I realized that the cleanup section, because that's like the getting everything out of the filing cabinet section, the cleanup section is entirely too boring to put in this video. So I'm not gonna put it in, but I am gonna call it good on this video because I don't want to edit anymore. Now I'm getting tired. Oh, I just touched. Okay, so I started yawning and then my yawn left. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.